Have you ever wondered if a home can be both sleek and incredibly cozy at the same time? We found the answer right here in this tiny house. The secret is in the unique blend of two design philosophies, the elegant simplicity of mid-century modern and the deep comfort of Hygge. The foundation of our home style is built on mid-century principles. You can see it in the furniture. Every piece has a purpose, with clean lines and functional forms. The beautiful, natural wood tones create a feeling of warmth, while the focus on utility keeps the space from feeling cluttered. We wanted a home that felt logical and organized, where everything had its place. To balance that polished look, we added the heart of Hygge. This is all about creating a sense of contentment and well-being. We brought that feeling to life with soft textures like plush blankets, cozy pillows, and a textured rug. The lighting is designed to cast a soft, warm glow, and a simple potted plant adds a touch of nature and peace. The result is a perfect partnership. The minimalist core of the mid-century design keeps the small space from feeling cramped, while the Hygge elements ensure it feels like a genuine sanctuary, not a sterile showpiece. This isn't just a house. It's a deliberate choice to live with less stuff and more intention. It proves that a small footprint can still create a home that is both beautiful and wonderfully welcoming. Ever think a home could be both stylishly simple and deeply comforting? We discovered the perfect formula for that in this tiny house. Our secret is the seamless combination of two timeless design philosophies, the elegant lines of mid-century modern and the cozy embrace of Hygge. Our design process started with mid-century fundamentals. Look closely at the furniture. You'll notice its clean, purposeful forms and the warmth of the natural wood tones. Each item was chosen for its function and beauty. This focus on utility keeps the space from feeling cluttered, giving the entire home an organized and airy feel. To prevent the space from feeling cold or sterile, we introduced the heart of Hygge. This goes beyond simple decoration. It's about a feeling of total contentment. We've brought this to life with soft textures, from plush blankets to a cozy rug. The lighting is intentionally soft and warm, and a simple potted plant adds a natural, peaceful touch. The final result is a beautiful collaboration. The clean, minimalist design keeps the tiny home from feeling small, while the Hygge elements make it a genuine sanctuary. Every single item here serves a purpose, whether practical or emotional. This isn't just a house. It's a statement about living intentionally, with less stuff and more comfort. It's proof that a beautiful, welcoming home doesn't depend on its size. Is it possible for a home to be both sophisticated and deeply relaxing? We found the answer in this tiny house, where we've perfected a unique blend of mid-century modern and Hygge. Our approach began with the clean, purposeful principles of mid-century design. The furniture, with its elegant lines and warm wood tones, was chosen for its dual purpose. It's both functional and beautiful. This emphasis on utility keeps the space from feeling cluttered, creating an environment that feels organized and effortlessly spacious. To balance this polished aesthetic, we infused the space with the comforting spirit of Hygge. This isn't just about decor. It's about creating a feeling of cozy contentment. We brought this to life with soft textures like plush blankets and a textured rug. The lighting is intentionally soft and warm, and a simple potted plant adds a natural, peaceful element. The final result is a perfect synergy. The minimalist foundation ensures the home never feels small, while the Hygge elements make it a genuine sanctuary. Every single item here serves a purpose, whether it's practical or emotional. This home is more than a place to live. It's a statement about intentional living, proof that you can have a beautiful, welcoming home without a large footprint. We've all seen beautiful homes, but can a home be both stylish and a true haven for relaxation? We believe so. In this tiny house, we discovered the perfect solution by seamlessly blending the classic mid-century modern look with the cozy philosophy of Hygge. Our design process started by embracing the core ideas of mid-century style. The furniture, with its elegant shapes and warm wood, was selected for a reason. It's both a stunning piece and completely useful. This focus on practical design keeps the space from feeling cluttered, making the entire home feel open and airy. To soften those clean lines, we introduced the spirit of Hygge. This isn't just a design choice. It's a way of creating a feeling. We brought this to life with inviting textures like soft blankets and a cozy rug. Our lighting is deliberately gentle and warm, and even a simple potted plant adds a peaceful, natural touch. The result is a perfect partnership. The clean, minimalist design prevents the small space from feeling cramped, while the comforting Hygge elements make it a genuine sanctuary. This isn't just a house, it's a testament to living with purpose. It shows that with a little thought, you can create a beautiful and welcoming home, no matter its size. What if a home could be more than just beautiful? What if it could be a serene retreat? In this tiny house, we found a way to achieve that by merging two design giants, the sophisticated simplicity of mid-century modern with the warm, comforting philosophy of Hygge. Our journey began with the timeless appeal of mid-century design. The furniture, with its elegant forms and rich wood tones, was chosen for a clear purpose. It's both a stunning visual element and entirely functional. This intentional focus on utility keeps the space free of clutter, creating an open, airy feeling throughout the home. To prevent the space from feeling cold, we layered in the spirit of Hygge. This isn't just about decoration. It's about building a feeling of cozy contentment. We use soft textures like plush blankets and a deep pile rug to add warmth. Our lighting is intentionally soft and inviting, and even a single potted plant brings a touch of natural calm to the space. The combination is a triumph. The minimalist framework prevents the home from feeling small, while the Hygge elements transform it into a genuine sanctuary. This isn't just a house. It's a testament to living with intention. It proves that you can create a beautiful and welcoming home that feels much bigger than its actual size. We often see homes that are beautiful, but what if a house could also be a peaceful escape? In this tiny home, we found the perfect answer by blending the clean lines of mid-century modern with the deep coziness of Hygge. Our design approach started with mid-century style. The furniture, with its elegant shapes and warm wood, was selected for a clear reason. It's both stunning to look at and incredibly practical. This focus on useful design prevents clutter, making the space feel open and airy. To balance this polished look, we layered in the spirit of Hygge. This goes beyond simple decorating. It's about creating a feeling of cozy comfort. We use soft, inviting textures like plush blankets and a thick rug to add warmth. Our lighting is deliberately soft and gentle, and a simple potted plant adds a natural, peaceful element. The final result is a perfect match. The minimalist foundation keeps the home from feeling cramped, while the Hygge touches turn it into a true sanctuary. This house isn't just a place to live, it's a statement about intentional living. It shows that you can create a beautiful and welcoming home that feels much bigger than it actually is.